we have our USP that separate us from other players in this sector. The traditional grain trading system in the market is inefficient. 15 to 20% of the product value is lost in the system as margins and commissions. Transportation also takes a cyclical route. For example, if the distance between the farmer's place and industry is 200 kilometers, the product will travel 300 kilometer, minimum 300 kilometer before reaching the industry. Similarly, the product is packed and unpacked every time it goes through quality verification at different entities. So it also increases the labor cost. But our trading system solve all these existing problems. Ram Setu charges only 3 to 5% platform charge depending upon the various commodities, which is far less than 15 to 20% of commissions. Transportation is also made efficient as the product is transported directly from farmer's place to the food industry. Even the packaging is done only once at the time of weighing, which also reduces the labor cost. All people think agriculture sector is a tight space for business as it has a lot of players. But we are first in a market approach for digital auction of agro commodities. So we don't have direct competitors, but all our indirect competitors work in multiple domains like selling seeds, fertilizers, farm equipments, and agro commodities digitally. Some of them are even in the field of digital crop surveillance. They are using technology to connect all these entities of supply chain system and making them shift from physical trade practices to digital one. But on the other hand, Ram Setu focus only on providing transparent, profitable and competitive trading environment between only the two parties, farmer and food industries. There was barely any challenges for getting seed funding in our story. Our company was incorporated on 5th of August 2021. In beginning, we were bootstrapped and we had enough resources to develop the technology and enter the market. But soon we were selected in Chunauti 2.0, and from that we were connected to Pontact. I will not say that it was a challenging, but rather a smooth journey for us. Every company is as good as its team, and we here at Ram Setu are a great team as well. Our company have two co-founders. Our first co-founder is Rahul Shahu. Rahul is a hustler and he manages all the on-ground operations, while I am a techie who provide all the tech-based solutions. We both had our previous ventures, independent ventures. Rahul used to run a 3-generation-old family trading business and a food brand in Nagpur named Shawarma King, while I used to run a tech-based platform named the Laundry Company. But now we have shut down our previous ventures due to COVID and working full-time on Ram Setu. Apart from that, we have an IT team to monitor and ensure all the trades are fairly practiced on the platform, a marketing team and a strong network of RS analysts for quality verification of our products. Our current traction is good as we also have a high projections for the future. When our first app was launched in Jan 2022, we got to see a major participation with 30 plus food industries registering and a verified seller base of 500 plus farmers. Our trade value on platform accounted for 4 CR, generating a core profit of rupees 12 lakh for the company. Based on our current fund resources, in the upcoming year, we intend to expand our operations in the state of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. And our projections of trade value is 80 CR, which will lead to a core profit of 2.4 CR from the company as a platform charges, and we also hope to generate 1 CR revenue as subscription models. About our association with Pontact, we were incubated with STPI, and from NGIS Chunauti 2.0, we were selected for the Pontact Fund scheme. We had our first meeting with Pontact in April 2022, and we pitched our idea to Sitaraman sir and Giridhar sir. Then soon we were selected for the further rounds, and further rounds were conducted on negotiation for company's valuation. In our case, Pontact was our first investor we ever connected, so it was a huge learning experience for us. Pontact not only helped us with their funds but also the vast network of corporates and government connections. We see a huge opportunity in future to expand our operations in other states where Pontact has signed MOUs with. Ram Setu has a bright future ahead of it. As we see it, not only the major player in India that digitally handles all the food industry purchase processes, and for account, I must say that this food industry has an annual market cap of $135 billion, which is ever growing with time. We also see Ram Setu as one of the one-stop solution platform for all the major exporters of India like ITC and Hindustan Unilever to source their products from. Thank you.